Happy February. Couple of weeks, it's that special day, Valentine's Day. And so today I just thought I'd do a little Valentine video. I'm not going to dive in the snow or anything, although we have so much snow out there. Like it's, what, February 3rd today or something? And we just got another, I don't even know how much. I shoveled last night, we got a shovel today. But that's okay, because we're going to stay in. You know, as you that know me really well, you know I love this whole vibe of the plaid. I'm loving it, so hence my outfit. And I even got this really nice coffee mug from my good friend Lisa for Christmas. I've got two of them actually, so all right, so today what we're going to do is we are going to make some treats, some Valentine treats for your fur baby. They're a frozen treat, and I made them in the summertime, which of course in the summertime they go over really well. But I wanted to make something just a little healthier because our guys are getting older. Shelby over here is 15, and Jakey here, hi bud, is 14. So a couple of senior dogs. I know how they feel, senior myself. So we want to make some stuff that's good for them, but that they like, and hopefully they will eat these because they usually do. It's really easy to make, so I'm going to use my trusty Vitamix, and I'm just going to put everything in there. So I have got some fresh frozen that I froze from the summertime raspberries, and I've got some banana, which I checked it out, and it's all good for dogs. Lots of, we got some blueberries here, so I'm going to go ahead and put these strawberries and banana in there. So basically a banana and the strawberries. And I've also got some blueberries, about a quarter of a cup. Blueberries are really good, and they're also good for them as well. It's an antioxidant. Your other main ingredient that's going to go in here for these guys is yogurt. We always use the Greek non-fat yogurt. So you're just going to put maybe 3/4 of a cup. You know me, I'm never specific when I'm making stuff like that. You know, I wish I could say I was, but I'm not. And we also have the natural peanut butter. The only thing to watch out for in your peanut butter is that it doesn't have that sugary X word in it. Like, it's not xylophone, but you know, I'll know what I mean. So you just have to kind of read it. That's why I do keep some of the natural peanut butter. It's kind of hard and looks like something else, but it's really good, and the dogs really love it as well. And that's all I'm putting in now. So basically it is banana, about 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, about a cup of well, you can use fat yogurt, it really doesn't matter. I just use what we have, and some strawberries if you want. I've got raspberries and blueberries and some banana all in here. And it's just gonna go in here. And sorry, Jake, I'm gonna make a little bit of noise. Sorry, bud. Oh, this doesn't have my third thing here. Okay. All you would do is zing this up for maybe 30 seconds. And then once you zing it up, you pour it into your molds. I just took these out of the freezer, so I have some really cool paw ones. And of course, for Valentine's Day, we have got heart molds. I use these for many things, but these ones are going to be, so I will just pop a couple paws out, and Jakey can tell there's food. So, you know, he's here for food. Jakey, what do you think, bud? Do you want one of these? You want one of these? How are they? Okay, so he's taking those. We'll see how they like the paws. Shell, you want yours, buddy? He's kind of deaf, so hey, buddy. You want that? Ooh, nummy. So here's the heart ones, and they're so cute. I will post some pictures of them. They're super cute, super easy to make. I really love these silicone molds. They are really good. There they are. You can look close up after, and I will take some pictures. Little hearts, little paws. You want one more, buddy? There you go. How about you, Shell? Shell's still working on his. I'm not sure. He usually likes them. Okay, so really simple to make. A good treat for your dogs, because, you know, we can't forget about those furry pet babies. And the other thing I wanted to show you is just what I've made for Valentine's Day. I've got lots that I've made on hand. So if you need some gifties for your kids, or someone special, someone older, I'll just show you a couple of things. So I'll show you the kids ones first. And I have made up these, they're so fun. They're a bath bomb, and they're just with natural ingredients like the Epsom, a little bit of Epsom salts, just a little bit of essential oil, not much. Some of them don't have any in them. So they're just made with the natural ingredients. And then inside the bath bomb, which is really fun, they drop it in the tub because who doesn't want to get their kids clean? And they love the idea of having a little surprise inside. So inside this bath bomb is a small little toy. And then I've also added inside this little gift for $10 each. You've got the bath bomb with the gift inside, a little eraser type. This particular one has a really cool little, I guess it's kind of like a My Pony figure in here. Now they are all a little different, and some of the bath bombs have different little toys in them. They can be girls, boys, whatever you like. Doesn't matter, you can use them for either. This is the boy style. So some of them have like a packet. Instead of the bath bomb, they have a packet in it. And what that packet is, it's got the little bath bubble crystals. So you just run that under the warm water. It makes a little bit of bubbles, which is fun. And then there's a bigger toy in here. So this one's a really cool truck, and I will post some pictures. And it's got a little Valentine with a little eraser on it as well. So lots of different kinds here. That one's the packet, and then also the bath bombs for the boys or girls. Like I say, it doesn't matter. It has a little toy with it as well, a couple little toys, and inside theirs is a little bath bomb, which could be either a little car, and it might be a Paw Patrol. There's some Paw Patrols in there. Little kids love those. Great for your kids. It's an alternative to chocolate. It's fun. They get to get clean, good clean fun in the bath. $10 for those. Just message me if you want some more information. And then we've got quite a few things here for us older people. Sorry, Teddy, by the head. So what I've done is I've made also some, in a cute little mason jar, I have made some crystals for the bath, and they also do a little bubble. So there's a little bubble in it, some really nice crystals with some just homemade Epsom salts, and also it's got some essential oils, and in this, and a cute little wooden scoop to dig out your bath, and then you can use your jar after. There's a cute little heart bath bomb. And also there is a lotion bar. So I've made little lotion bars, and as you can see, I've used these heart molds for everything. The lotion bar is just tiny. You take it out and it's got some beautiful shea butter, cocoa butter, really great to just melt on your skin. So this one comes in a little box, and it's got the teddy, and those I'm putting on special for $12. If you buy 2 or more, they can be 10. And I just want to show you a couple other ones. So this one is the surprise bath bomb for ladies. So in it's got a beautiful mason jar, and in it, it's got a candle, like a candle that you can just keep put batteries in, but it's also got a beautiful design on it, very Victorian. And then inside the bath bomb is a fun, so you put your bath bomb under, and in is like a surprise, and in it you will get a type of earrings. So there's lots of earrings, and again, I'll put some pictures on. So this one, because it's got the little decorative jar in it, and it's also got a little vial. This one has a bath bomb, the little vial of the bath bubbles, and the cute little teddy. And this one is $15. And the only other more expensive ones is, these little ones are $12. This tin, which is kind of cool, you can use the tin. You can use the tin as anything, put anything in it. Also as put your ice in it. So this one also has the beautiful Victorian jar, the bath crystals, the surprise bath bomb with the earrings in it, and then of course a little stuffy. And the only bigger one I have is this beautiful wooden box, which I didn't make, but it's still beautiful. And it's got a little heart, you can't really see it, it's got a little heart vine wreath that I made from the wreaths outside our vines. And in here, it's also the addition of, it's got the beautiful Victorian bath bomb with the earrings in it. Also has a wine glass. It's got your lotion bar. It's got some bath crystals and all that good stuff. And this beautiful wooden box that you can use over for many things. That's $20. That's the most expensive thing. And these little ones, these are great. I'm blowing these out for $10. So in here is the bath crystals. Now you just run this under your warm water when you're running your bath, and you'll get a little bit of foamy niceness, and plus the essential oils, which this one probably has a bit of lavender, a bit of rose, and it's really good for relaxing. So in that jar also comes with a cute little wooden scoop for getting it out. Hi Jake, hi buddy. And in here is, of course, the lotion bar to make your skin nice and soft when you get out of the bath, and the cute little stuffy. $10. So lots of $10 gifts. They might come in a box. That's the other alternative, is it might come in a box. Lots of stuff, lots of gifts. If you need anything for that someone special, and that one that's special includes yourself. Where'd you go, Jake? Shelby, did you? Oh, look, he's eating it now. They're going to sleep. Works great. Hey, bud. Hey, puppies. They're such good puppies. So I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's. Here we are in amidst 2 years later of the pandemic. World is crazy, but do something for yourself today. Do something for others. We know that saying, be kind, but really be kind to you, to your neighbor, to someone you love. Reach out, have fun, go out in the snow. Ho, ho, ho. So everybody, good to see you. I hopefully will think up some funny video to make you smile. Take care and have an awesome day.